In the preceding tutorials, we walked through how to create a decision-making scenario. We based the content on the crisis at Fort Sumter created by Dr. Richard Latner. The main content was presented through text pages, and so here we can see two examples of that. We also included problems that we took out of the flow, and so these are reachable by students by simply clicking on a button at the bottom of the project. And if we preview, we can very quickly see that. Here's problem 1, problem 2. Another feature is we added long answers. So this is the prompt for the long answer, and this helps organize the student's response in a journal, which we'll talk about in a second. We had a question, and the question unlocked what Lincoln did. And so we talked about branching, and choosing a correct answer would branch students to what Lincoln decided for problem 1, but we repeated that for the wrong answer. So no matter how the student answered, they eventually saw this information here. And then finally, we compiled the student's answer in a journal page. And so we didn't need to do anything other than label this journal, add it to the table of contents. So now we're ready to export. We'll choose Export, and we'll title this Fort Sumter Crisis. The topic will be decision-making scenario. And the author for this, well, we'll make this Dr. Richard Latner, although we're not actually using this particular scenario. This is for demonstration purposes only. SCORM 1.3 is the recommended. If you're using Moodle, choose SCORM 1.2. Click Create Export, and now basically an export package has been created, and this will tell you where to find it. At this point, simply go into the Learning Management System and follow the instructions for how to import a SCORM object. You'll find the object at this location. And that concludes our discussion of decision-making scenarios. This is a terrific strategy. It's worth the time.